Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. Let's look at latest AncientOS 5.4 official build running on Xiaomi POCO F1. In this video, we will be discussing about all the day-to-day possibility of this ROM as well as the gaming. At the end, we will discuss about all cons and pros of this ROM. So if you are new here, sub to the channel would be really appreciated. As usual, I'll be starting with about phone session. As you see, the ROM is AncientOS 5.4 Society. The security patch they are using is 5th May 2021 and the kernel coupled with is XD kernel 1.3 RZ2. XC Linux is by default set as enforcing. Under battery settings, the ROM got all thermal switching for gamers. There is also presence of smart charging and smart cutoff as well. Both of these options work pretty well. You can also find more information about your battery here. When comes to security, the ROM does has all the features like IR face unlock, fingerprint, app lock and more. The fingerprint works pretty fast as well as IR face unlock. I didn't face any issues with these options. Out of the box, the ROM comes encrypted. So, if you want your phone to be decrypted, flash any DFE during the installation. Display session includes option to hide notch, but it does has the gesture bug. You need to reboot your phone once you set display cutout. Notification session includes option to enable or disable bubbles, as well as you can customize your notification from this option. Everything else looks same as other ROMs around. The important customization comes under Megalith Xi. There are much more customizations included towards theming, interface, status bar, buttons, QoS panel, power menu and more. The options are as same as previous build. Since we are going through a performance review, I am not explaining each and everything again. When it comes to QoS panel, the ROM does has many tiles. There are screen recorder present and it is capable of recording internal audio and microphone at a time. There is presence of FPS meter and it does its job well. After enabling screen recorder, I didn't face any lags or jitters. Everything was pretty smoother. The screen recorder here got option for reducing and increasing recording quality. The another important feature of this ROM is it does includes a call recorder feature with dialer, which is pretty important feature we miss with many of other ROMs. The reason menu includes screenshot and clear all option as well. Both does their job well. The launching animations of reason menu is pretty smooth. The device is Google Play Product certified and the safety net check here passes out of the box. So you won't be facing any issues with banking applications. Let's talk about benchmark scores now. After enabling gaming thermal, AncientOS scores 2,06,000 plus and Geekbench scores for single core 251 and multi-core 1235, which are not pleasing one for gamers. I believe the gaming thermals are broken here. So to understand more about this ROM's performance, I am including a CPU throttling test. If you see closer to the graphs from the beginning, CPU performance is good and it does gives more than 80% performance. But if you see closely to performance scores, it is not even hitting 2 GHz, where Snapdragon 845 maximum clock speed is 2.8 GHz. This clearly tells that the kernel which is used under this ROM is downclocked the processor performance. So now throttle testing is finished. Let's start gaming test. Screen recorder and FPS is enabled. And the graphics is smooth plus extreme and gyro is always on. While gaming is going on, and I already know the result. Let's summarize. The AncientOS 5.4 is a great stable build for POCO F1 for sure. Everything is pretty smooth and responsive. There are many customizations if you love to play with theming. If you are normal user, yes, you can consider this ROM for sure. But if you are a gamer and want to use this ROM, you need to flash any performance based kernel. I was using this ROM from past 2 days, and also I did try Loren kernel for gaming. The result was really great. Anyways, using or not using is totally depend upon your personal preference. So that's it guys. If you like my work, leave a like and subscribe. Also, let me know your thoughts in the comment section. If you are already using this ROM, enjoy the gameplay and keep an eye on FPS. Till catch you with next time. Be safe and take care.